In this video, I will guide you step by step on creating a company page on LinkedIn. So stay tuned for a seamless walkthrough to showcase your business on this professional platform. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account and navigate to the business.linkedin.com. Now, once you're there, spot the Create Your Page option, just give it a click and a menu will pop up. So go ahead and click on the Create a Company Page option, and here comes the fun part, filling in the blanks. So go ahead, throw in your company name, craft a unique LinkedIn address, toss in the website URL, choose your industry, and don't forget the organization size and type. And if you got a snazzy logo, just tap on Choose File and upload it. Now, if you're feeling creative, then add a business tagline to spice things up. Next, do a quick check of LinkedIn's page terms and verify that you're the authorized wizard behind this organization and you've got the right to create and manage this page. Now, after you've filled everything out, just simply give that Create a Page button a friendly click at the bottom of the screen and your LinkedIn company page is officially born. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.